What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a real quick video. I've got a Big Tex trailer here, 14 LP. Freaking love the trailer, it's awesome. I wanted to have the wireless dump bed controller set up on it whenever I purchased it, but they wanted to add, like, I forget what it was, $300-400 for it. So I did a lot of shopping around. Finally, I came across this little setup, and actually what I did is I called the dealer, got the part number that they use, and I found it on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it in the description, but it's the Bucher Hydraulics Wireless Remote Control Wireless Dump Trailer Remote Kit. It's for $117. So it comes with that little box like that, and a little controller, just like this. It's got a protective cover over it, just like that. Okay, super simple to wire up. The cool thing about this particular setup is it can be used for a trailer that has power up and power down, or power up gravity down, which is the kicker that gets most different people, because some, like PJ trailers, I believe they have a gravity down feed on it, so their plug's a little different. You get to retain your regular controller. You don't disconnect anything there. What you do is you come in on the other side of the motor, so the hydraulic motor. You got to find out which one of these valves is up and which one's down. You'll tie a specific wire in there. The instructions are very clear. Then you come over here to the solenoid. You find the power wire on it, and it's labeled to the pump. And it comes up and it goes to the control box, which is here. I mounted it here. You can mount yours wherever is accessible. Then you have a power and a ground wire, and then right here, I just drilled a hole in the back of the box, and I came out to the side of the box with the antenna. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, lose my paper. So the way it works is you come on here, you push power, and then you can put, hang on a second, I don't want to crush my lid. Okay, so you can control it from here. Okay, we'll go down. You can still control it using the wired remote. And what I do is I actually keep my box locked now. I don't ever open it. We'll set that there. And then you can use the wireless remote, which is really cool. It's got about 100-foot radius. I know it's plenty far for me to use it inside the truck, but you turn it on and off here. You don't have to open the box. You turn it on here, you push the button, and it goes right on up. You want to go down, same thing, and it shuts off. You can turn it off. It has an auto off feature, so after, I believe, 10 minutes of not using it, then it automatically turns the remote off. But I like this one because it's got the cover, keeps it on there like that. You don't have to worry about hitting the buttons going down the road. And what I do with mine is I take that joker, throw it right there in the center console until I'm ready to go next time. Anyways, I'll put the description in the link so that way you can find it. Works great, worth every penny. Took about 30 minutes to hook up, and that's just because I'm OCD and wanted to make sure that I got all the wires tied up and made it look nice. Anyways, that's it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, post in the bottom. Thanks.